Introducing the latest in fleet technology, video telematics and risk management. The iQ camera is your partner in driver-assisted safety. The AI-powered dual camera system offers critical insight and a holistic view for your drivers with a range of driver status monitoring and advanced driver assistance metrics. Fully connected to TN360, the iQ camera provides immediate access to event footage and feedback direct to the driver. No delays, no complications. By monitoring driving behaviours in real time, the iQ camera provides instant coaching and in-cab audio alerts to the driver on identified areas for improvement. This is via recognition of certain driving breaches including, but not limited to, distracted driving, drowsiness, harsh driving, speeding, and traffic sign violations.
Speeding violation detected.
You can rest assured knowing that if your drivers don't feel safe, a simple press of the emergency record button activates the camera and ensures that crucial footage is captured seamlessly. All of this not only reduces the immediate risk, but also provides long-term benefits in realigning the driver's perception of their own driving. With the iQ camera being accessible in one platform, our mission is to help simplify your fleet operations for a safe, efficient, and sustainable future. For more information, visit our website.